Did you know that in the remote fishing villages of northern Alaska, entire crews have abandoned their ice fishing operations after hearing voices calling from beneath the frozen surface? What they discovered will make you question everything you thought you knew about the Arctic wilderness. Last winter, veteran fisherman Marcus Michieli was drilling holes through 3-foot thick ice in Kotibu Sound when he first heard it, a faint whisper, almost like wind, but forming words. "Let me up," it seemed to say. "Please, let me up." Marcus initially dismissed it as his imagination playing tricks after hours in sub-zero temperatures. But then his fishing partner heard it too. Within days, reports flooded in from across the region. Fishermen described hearing multiple voices beneath the ice, some pleading to be released, others begging to be allowed inside their shelters. The voices weren't random either. They knew personal details about the fishermen above, calling them by name, referencing their families, their fears. Scientists rushed to investigate what they assumed was a psychological phenomenon called auditory pareidolia, where the brain interprets random sounds as familiar patterns like voices. Arctic environments are known to produce strange acoustic effects. Wind moving through ice formations creates haunting sounds that have spooked travelers for centuries. The combination of extreme cold, isolation, and the monotonous drilling sounds could easily trigger hallucinations. But the evidence didn't support this theory. Multiple independent witnesses reported identical phrases. Recording equipment captured what sounded like actual voices, though analysis proved inconclusive. Most disturbing was the consistency of the messages across different locations spanning hundreds of miles. Dr. Janice Blackwood, an acoustics researcher from the University of Alaska, proposed a different explanation. She discovered that Kotibu Sound sits above a massive underwater cave system. During winter, as ice forms and shifts, it creates natural resonance chambers. Sounds from below can be amplified and distorted, traveling upward through cracks in the ice. The mystery deepened when researchers found that indigenous Inupiat elders had stories about spirits trapped beneath winter ice, souls of those who died in the water seeking passage to the afterlife. These legends spoke of voices that would call to the living, sometimes warning of danger, other times luring them to join the dead below. Archaeological evidence suggests the area has been a fishing ground for over 1,000 years. Countless individuals have likely fallen through the ice over the centuries. Could their final words somehow be preserved in the unique acoustic environment beneath the frozen surface? Marine biologists offered another possibility. Certain whale species use complex vocalizations that can sound remarkably human-like when filtered through ice and water. Arctic seals also produce calls